ever thought to yourself about how companies are listed on the stock market and how do companies offer shares to the public for the first time? That's what we are going to see in today's episode 8, part 1 of Learn, Invest, Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshmi Narayanan and this series is in association with Alice Blue to help new investors kickstart their journey of investing. In today's episode, we are going to discuss everything you need to know about IPOs, so do watch till the end. Before that, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up so it reaches a lot of new investors. Let's jump into today's episode and learn everything about IPOs and also find out how to invest in an IPO in the simplest way. What is an IPO? IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It is a process where a company decides to raise funds from the public by selling its shares. The shares are first issued in the primary market via IPO, then move to the secondary market where it is traded between the public. The secondary market is also called as after issues market. Now let's deep dive and look into the IPO process and how IPO works. The IPO process kicks off with appointing a merchant banker, getting approval from the SEBI to getting listed on the stock market. The whole IPO process is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Let's find out step-by-step process a company follows to get listed on the stock market. Firstly, the company will appoint a merchant banker who helps in all the following steps. Then the company has to get an initial nod from the SEBI. Next, the company prepares a draft red herring prospectus (DRHP) and submits it to the SEBI. DRHP is a document that contains all the information about the company like the financial statements, the number of shares offered to the public, the objective of the IPO, etc. Later, the company fixes the price band and marketing of the IPOs done for at least 2 days before the bidding process starts. Finally, stockbrokers like Alice Blue starts accepting bids from the public. Once the bidding is complete, shares are allotted to the public. Then the stock will be listed on the stock market. You can find the companies that have filed DRHP with the SEBI using the link in the description. What are the two types of IPOs? There are two types of IPOs, fixed price offering and book building offering. Fixed price offering. In this type of IPO, the company offers its shares at a fixed price. Book building offering. In the book building method, the company fixes a price band. The investors have to bid within that fixed price band to get the shares. How to invest in an IPO? Investing in an IPO is made simple through Alice Blue. Follow these following steps to start your investment. Step 1. Simply log into Alice IPO. Step 2. Choose the IPO that you want to apply and place your bid. Step 3. Once the bid is placed via UPI, the UPI app will block funds in your bank account proportional to the bid till the allotment date. If the shares are allotted to you, the money will be debited from your account. If not, the money will be unblocked. Excited to know how bidding and allotment of shares are done? Keep watching the next video.